What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another
Maybe.
great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Damon here from DecoExchange, and we're gonna make a wreath. So we're gonna make a fun little Halloween wreath. Says Gone Batty. Y'all, this one, because it's a grapevine wreath, the customer can see the back, so we want to clean that up as much as possible. On a grapevine wreath, I like to put my staples in the center of the pipe cleaner so that you have a nice V shape to wrap it around. Let's see where we want it. Y'all, I think on this one, I want to go with the sign in the corner down here and add the bow up here. So let's get a staple in this corner and one over here. And then one up here. All right, y'all, we're gonna reinforce that staple with just a little bit of hot glue. All right, let's get this attached. All right, wrapping this around. So y'all, all we did was we ran that pipe cleaner right through the grapevine. All right, got this tied off. Should be good to go. We all know one of them, right? We all got that one friend, that one family member. There's always one in every crowd, y'all. All right, we got our sign attached. Let's get our bow added up here. All right. Let's make our loop. Y'all, let's do about a 6-inch loop. We don't want to get it too big. Y'all, we're gonna use some of this ribbon, but I don't want it to be too crazy. So I'm just gonna use a strip of it. All right, making our loops. All right. Y'all, we're just layering all the different ribbons in here. Y'all, this is basically like a scrap wreath, kinda, right? I'm just using a bunch of ribbon that I already had open. It's all Halloween colors. And we're making it work. Right? That's all we're doing, is trying to make it work. Y'all, and then I'm gonna finish it with the ribbon that matched the first one that we added on. Y'all, we're gonna take our pipe cleaners. All right, tie this off. We're gonna slide our bow out of here. Gonna wrap our pipe cleaner around it. Y'all, then we take our thumb and we push it down as tight as we can with our fingers on the back. Pull it nice and tight. Right? And then we twist our bow. All right. Y'all, now I'm gonna attach this on the far edge of our grapevine. Y'all, if I put it too far down, it starts to cover the sign. But if I put it up here on the edge, it works out perfectly. Get this tied off nice and tight. All right, let's start cleaning up some of our little tails. Y'all, all we're gonna do is fold them in half, wire side to wire side, and dovetail them. So there's our sign with our bow. Now we're just gonna add in a few little accessories and doctor it up. All right, I'm gonna trim these up a little bit. So y'all, I'm gonna bend this stem just a little bit to go with the curve of the grapevine. Gonna add some hot glue on the tip. Work this one down here. All right, y'all, we don't want to overdo it with the greens or the black greens, I guess. We just want to give it a little bit of character. All right, let's get a few of these in here. Y'all, I'm going to glue this one right into the bow. All right, let's get one up here at the top. So y'all, we're just building out around the bow with the black leaves. All right, I want to get one longer one coming down this way, but I'm gonna have to trim it out. All right, that's enough of the black leaves. We're just trying to give it a little bit of character. Y'all, I want to get some of this black and white in there for sure. So I want to get these black and whites just kind of poking out of the back of the bow, just to kind of do that same thing. All right, so these, y'all, I'm gonna just pull all the twists off of. All right, y'all, and I'm gonna glue these directly into my bow, just randomly around. So y'all, whenever you add things into your bow, make sure you have a pretty good spot to add glue. And then where the glue's at, add your glue. And then just work it between the ribbon tails. You want to make sure it touches enough spaces to like actually get a grip and hold on. So now we just need to clean up the back. So I like to cut my pipe cleaners about 1 inch and then tuck those right back in. Quick and easy Halloween design. Good night, y'all.